Hello friends, hope you are doing great. So today's video I'm gonna show you one of the best affiliate program that you can work with so as to generate thousands and thousands of dollars monthly. Okay, of course, if you have seen my last videos, I have mentioned many or much more affiliate program that you can work with as a beginner, because sometimes it seems very hard to sign up with other platforms like Max Bounty, ClickBank, and so on and so forth. But as you know, your online journey is here for you guys to help you and to provide you with best affiliate program that you can work with so as to generate a good income. Okay, so before guys we skip to our main topic, of course, to show you our affiliate program. If you are new to my channel, I want you now to subscribe to my channel and hit, of course, the button to receive a notification whenever I upload a new video. Okay, because this way, of course, you help us to provide you with good, of course, content that will help you with your online journey. Okay guys, so the platform that I'm talking about, guys, is Market Health. It's very known, of course, by its high quality product. So it's very it's very awesome affiliate program that you don't have to miss, guys, if you want to generate of course good income online. You don't have to, of course, to go nowhere to skip this video because it's very important for you. Okay, so the only thing that you have to do, guys, once you are here, of course, let's go directly to our affiliates, of course, by clicking to affiliates, so as to show you some information here. Okay, so of course, if you want to join this platform, you just need to click on join now, but later on I'm gonna show you how you can do it. As you see here, if you scroll down, of course, they see here that if you send 20 or more sales per day, we are happy to negotiate special commission and payment. It means that if of course, if you are professional and if you use, of course, this platform in a good way to generate like 20 sales each day, they will, of course, negotiate with you the special commission. It means that they will pay you much more. Okay, and this is very fantastic about this platform. So guys, the only thing about the sign up, of course, I have already my account here. So what makes this platform very amazing is this: you don't need any website to sign up with or anything like that. You just need, of course, to provide your email and, of course, some information like your name and your address, and that's all. Okay, so let's log in now, guys. I have already my account here, as I have told you. Okay, let's log in like this, so as to show you how you can work with this platform. You can discover its amazing product and so on and so forth. Okay, so of course, once you have signed up, guys, you will get access to this dashboard here, as you can see. Okay, here guys, where you can see this is the main page or the dashboard of this platform. So in your left here, guys, there is everything that you need, of course, to know so as to work with this amazing platform. Okay, about the dashboard, if you click on dashboard, you will be here. So it seems to be very easy. About offers, of course, if you click on offers, for example, let's click on offers, and as you see here, there are many offers or many niches that you can, of course, see around here, like for example, business opportunities, colon health, cosmetics, general health product, health and beauty stores, men's health, and so on and so forth. For example, let's say that we wanna, of course, see cosmetic products. You just need to click on cosmetics. Okay, and here in your right here, of course, all the products that you wanna, of course, see, and if you are interested in one of these, you can promote it. Okay, let's say that you want to promote, for example, this offer. The only thing that you have to do is to click on your right here. As you see, if you sell this product, guys, you're gonna earn, as you see here, $40, which is fantastic. Okay, let's click on it now so as to see much more details about this offer and how you can of course you get your affiliate link and so on and so forth. Okay, so sorry guys, today I have a lot of connection, so okay, so here is guys of course this offer, I mean here it is. Here is guys in the top your tracking link, it means your affiliate link. Here you can take your affiliate link, okay, and here is your preview landing page, okay, and of course here are some information here as well. As you see here, the payout, they will pay for each sale $40 for CPA. It means that it's high payout really, okay. As you scroll down here where you can find everything about this of course this offer, like screenshot and so on and so forth. Once you are here of course in your creatives, here where you can of course if you have a website and you want of course to take some banners to your website, here where you can find them, you can just only download or get the code to us to take or insert it in your websites to us of course to start generating or promoting, sorry, this offer. Okay, the only thing that we have to do guys, as I have mentioned, is to take this link of course and you can promote it using your website and so on and so forth. Okay, when it comes to landing page, let's see that we wanna of course promote this offer and we want much more information to add to our landing page or our website. The only thing that you have to do is to click on preview landing page, for example. Okay, so here is the product itself, I mean the landing page of that product, which is, as you see, they have really fantastic and amazing landing page. As you see here everything, and you can find of course everything that you need here guys, and of course we can use this landing page to promote of course this offer. Okay, let's get back to our affiliate link. Let's take our affiliate link and of course open a new window and paste it here so as to discover or to see exactly, so as to show you guys of course this of course this offer or this product, how it looks and how people can of course, as you see, it looks like yeah, it's the same it's the same landing page that I have mentioned, that I have previewed before, so no worries for this. So when someone landed to this landing page, for example, once he fill his information here, we get a commission, and he buy of course we get a commission, which is very amazing. Okay, so let's get back to our main dashboard guys, so as to show you some other stuff here about offers. You can of course, if you click on offers, you will see all the offers that you see here. My live offers, it means that if you have already taken some product to promote, here where you can see your live offers. Okay, about schedule changes, as you see here, about performance reports, you can see your reports, your statistics, commission as well. Reports is the same, you will see if you sell a certain product, you will see it here of course on your conversion report. Okay, and about some other stuff here which is very important, about of course about your account. Okay, make sure that you have of course you added of course your payment method here, because it's very important when it comes, for example, once you are here you just need to click on billing. Okay, here it is. So this is the payment section. Okay, the only thing that you have to do guys is to come, if you want of course to provide your payment, so you have of course to click on billing details like this. And what makes them very fantastic here guys is this: you can of course get your money through your bank, exactly as you see here. They have you can provide your bank transfers or Pioneer, and of course check wire and other payments that you can of course add here, which is very amazing. So you don't have to forget, guys, of course, to add your payment here. Okay, so whenever you sell a certain product, you get of course the payment through your bank, of course. Okay, which is amazing. And about the contact support, of course, guys, it's very important, because when it comes to affiliate marketing, sometimes you want to know much more information about the affiliate products, how people of course promoting it, and so on and so forth. So the only thing that you have to do is to contact of course your manager, as you see here, customer service. This is of course the email of this platform or this affiliate program, so you can contact them anytime that you think that you have a certain issue or something like that. So that's all, guys, and let's go back to our offers here, or to our main dashboard. So as you see here around here, guys, you're gonna find much more, of course, much more product that you're gonna need, of course, so as to generate good income online. Here, as you see, many thousand of products. Okay, that's all for this video, guys, and I hope that of course you enjoyed this video. And of course, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the button, of course, to receive a notification whenever I upload for you a good video. Okay, see you guys, and bye bye.